Hello guys, this is Muhammad Furqanuddin from Malaysia mobile phone. Today I am going to unbox Redmi Note 10s. This mobile impressed me a lot because of its having 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, 64 megapixel quad cameras, ultra wide and macro lenses, and it's having 6.43 AMOLED dot display with dual speakers, Mediatek Helio G95 powerful octa-core processor, and it's having 33-watt fast charging with LiPo 5000 mAh big battery. See what's inside here. It's a cover from Redmi company. It's a clear cover, crystal clear. It's free, I think. This is data cable with big adapter. Now I'll show you the back part. See what a nice back part with blue color. The main camera is seen here on the top. Now it's side of Redmi Note 10s with side mounted finger. Here you see loudspeaker, type C and headphone jack with 3.5mm. Power button. It's another speaker with sensor. Now see the front side of Redmi Note 10s with front facing camera. Here you see Google, YouTube, map, and its tools inside. Here is a FM radio, calculator, compass. Now see the how finger button is work. I keep my finger and it's unlocked. It takes only 1 second. Now it's 64 megapixel rear camera. I'm testing it. See how it works. The object from a long far, it's coming to my it's coming near. Now it's selfie camera. I'm testing selfie camera with one of my colleague. It's a nice selfie. Now I'll show you gaming performance. Here you see I'm playing game. It's a wonderful game. Thanks for watching.